selectively across the network. So that's a task cut out for us. I think that we're very happy. This is a new life for Vodafone Idea, and we look forward to being an outstanding service provider to our customers.
So on the debt servicing front, any timelines on that on that kind of?
So actually, we have only 4,000 crores of debt due to banks. So we are quite debt heavy, debt light in that sense.
So on the debt front, we've already
please
spoken about the banking debt, but on the government debt, that's the larger part of debt, right? So considering that, and we've talked about equity dilution, that's the government package, but that will lead to a lot of equity dilution for the shareholders. So how will that be a beneficial
It's a little
story?
premature to talk about that just now. I mean, we'll have to just play it as it comes.
All right,
So
Mr.
in terms
Birla,
of Indus
thank you
Towers,
so much.
Indus Towers stake. Any word on that? Whether
Nothing just now. There's no definite path that we are.
All right, Mr. Birla, many congratulations on this big fundraise. Do you think that most of the problems of Vodafone Idea that the group had been struggling with over many years, that is sorted for the next few years with this issuance?
I think so. I mean, without a doubt, right? I mean, we've been in the sector for 2.5 decades now, which shows our commitment to the sector and to Digital India.
Yes.
And this is, like I said, a fresh lease of life for the company.
And what about Industar stake sale? Do you have an arrangement with Vodafone PLC that the entire amount of their stake sale proceeds will be infused in this listed company?
Well, not really, but we're going to see as it comes. So nothing
What
specific at this point.
percentage, as per the arrangement,
I think
what
this-
percentage is there?
I think we are not talking about
Yes.
industry
Yeah.
here, please.
All right, and the government stake sale, is there any indication on that at any point to
Stake sale,
monetize?
we're not talking about stake sale at all.
At
I
some
don't know
point
why-
they would like to monetize it. Do we have any understanding?
I think you're jumping many guns. I don't think that's the plan at all as of now. Okay,
All right,
thank you.
thank you.